Hi, in this video we will have a look on the document settings. For this we are already in the shop category of the settings and choose the documents. Here you can see a list of all the available documents. These are the 4 standard document templates that come with every Shopware installation. And these are the documents you can generate in an order, for example, and these are for the customer or for your personal archive. But as an example, let's open the invoice. And here we can see the basic information and the settings for the documents itself. Now let's have a look on how a generated document looks like. For this, we will move to the order overview and select an order from the list. And if you scroll all the way down, we have the part documents. And here we can just create a new document. In the Shopware standard, there's the credit note, the delivery note, the invoice, and the store bill. We will create an invoice for now for this example. Here we have the option to change the number of this document. So per standard, this is the next free number of the number range for invoices, but you can also fill a custom number if you want to. We can change the date. So per standard, this is the current date. You can click on the calendar and choose another date if you want to. You can add a comment for internal purposes if you want to comment on something. And of course, if you do have already a document like this, or you generate your documents in another software, you can upload them here, upload a custom document. For now, we will have a look on a preview. You can also generate a preview of them and see what the document looks like. I opened the downloaded preview of this document, and we can now see a standard invoice document. So on the top left there it would usually be a logo, but we didn't choose a logo in the first place, so it's empty now. Here we have the company data, as well as on the right with more detailed order information like the order number, the order date. And here we have the customer address. In the middle of the invoice are the products or the positions of the order with their attributes. We have the payment method, the shipping method, and some legal information. Obviously also the costs and the prices of the positions. And on the bottom in the footer, we also have the page number. We had it active in the configuration, and our company information, inclusive the bank account and stuff.